কলকাতা পুলিশের তরফ থেকে
The cyclone Umpon is currently located at around 110 kilometer down southeast of Paradip, and it is moving at an average speed of about 18-19 km per hour. At the current location of the cyclone, the wind speed is observed to be around 160 to 170 kilometer.
I am living with my family members to Velegata to my daughter's house to avoid the storm. After the storm is over, I shall come back again.